Understanding insurance. Basics of insurance coverage. Hey there, wealthy youngsters! Welcome back to another exciting episode of our series on money and personal finance. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that might sound a bit complex, but we promise to break it down into simple, easy-to-understand terms: insurance. Yep, we're here to unravel the mysteries of insurance coverage and help you become savvy about protecting yourself and your stuff. So, let's jump right in. Alright, let's start at the beginning. What exactly is insurance? Well, think of it as a safety net. It's a way to protect yourself from unexpected events that could cost you a lot of money. You pay a small amount, called a premium, to an insurance company, and in return, they'll help cover the costs if something bad happens. It's like having a backup plan for life's surprises. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. There are different types of insurance, like health, auto, home, and more. Each type covers specific things. For example, health insurance helps with medical bills, while auto insurance takes care of car-related expenses. Insurance policies also have something called coverage limits, which is the maximum amount the insurance company will pay. Let's dive deeper into these examples to see how insurance works in real-life situations. 1. Health insurance. In many countries, people need health insurance to cover medical expenses. However, here in Canada, we're fortunate to have a government-funded healthcare system. So, while we have our trusty health cards that grant us access to basic medical services, there are still costs that aren't fully covered. That's where additional health insurance comes into play. For instance, if you need prescription medications, dental care, or vision exams, these might not be fully covered by the government plan. This is where optional health insurance can step in to help manage these additional costs. 2. Auto insurance. Picture this: you're driving down the street and oops! You accidentally rear-end the car in front of you. Auto insurance steps in to cover the repairs for both your car and the other driver's car. This can save you from shelling out a large amount of money to fix the damages. Just remember, the insurance company will only cover up to a certain amount, which is the coverage limit. If the repair costs exceed that limit, you might have to pay the difference. 3. Home insurance. Now, let's say a powerful storm sweeps through your neighborhood and damages your house's roof. This is where home insurance shines. It helps cover the costs of repairing the roof and any other damages caused by the storm. Plus, if any valuable items inside your home, like electronics or furniture, are also damaged, home insurance can chip in to replace them. This is super helpful, especially when unexpected events leave you with a mess to clean up. 4. Life insurance. Life insurance is a bit different. It's not for you, it's for your loved ones. Imagine you're the main provider for your family, and unfortunately, something happens to you. Life insurance ensures that your family will receive a lump sum of money, known as the death benefit, to help them financially during a difficult time. This can cover things like funeral expenses, mortgage payments, and everyday living costs. It's a way to provide peace of mind to your family, even when you're not there. 5. Renter's insurance. Let's say You're renting an apartment and there's a fire that damages the building. Your landlord's insurance will likely cover the building's repairs, but what about your belongings? That's where renter's insurance comes in. It helps replace your damaged or stolen belongings, like your electronics, clothes, and furniture. This way, you won't have to start from scratch if the unexpected happens. 6. Travel insurance. Imagine you've planned an exciting trip, but at the last minute, you fall sick and can't go. Without travel insurance, you might lose all the money you spend on flights, accommodation, and activities. Travel insurance can provide a refund for these expenses due to unexpected cancellations, medical emergencies while traveling, or lost luggage. It's like a safety net for your vacations. Time for a quick quiz, wealthy youngsters. Test your insurance knowledge with these fun questions. Question 1. What do you call the amount you pay to an insurance company? Question 2. Which type of insurance helps cover car-related expenses? Question 3. If your house gets damaged by a fire, which insurance comes to your rescue? Question 4. Which insurance provides financial support to a family when someone passes away? Question 5. What's the maximum amount an insurance company will pay called? Question 6. True or false? Insurance is like a safety net for unexpected events. Remember, take your time to think about these questions. All right, let's unveil the answers to the quiz questions and dig into the explanations. Answer 1. Premium. The amount you pay to an insurance company is the premium. Think of it like a subscription fee to keep your protection active. Just like you pay for your streaming services to enjoy shows and movies, you pay a premium to enjoy the benefits of insurance coverage. Answer 2. Auto insurance. When you're involved in a car accident, auto insurance steps up to cover the costs of repairs and damages. This way, you're not left with a huge bill to pay all by yourself. Answer 3. Home insurance. If your house faces unexpected disasters like fires, storms, or even theft, home insurance is your guardian. It helps pay for repairs, replacements, and sometimes even temporary housing if your home becomes unlivable. Answer 4. Life insurance isn't just for adults. It's a way to provide financial help to your family if something happens to you. It's like a safety net that ensures your loved ones are taken care of even in difficult times. Answer 5. Coverage limit. The maximum amount an insurance company will pay is known as the coverage limit. Think of it as the cap on how much help you can get from the insurance company. If the costs exceed this limit, you might need to cover the remaining expenses. Answer 6. True, absolutely true. Insurance acts like a safety net, catching you when unexpected events happen. It's a way to soften the blow of life surprises and keep your financial situation more stable. And there you have it, wealthy youngsters. You've cracked the code on insurance coverage. So, whether it's your health, your car, or your home, insurance has got your back. Keep learning and stay financially savvy. Until next time, stay wealthy and wise.
If you're ready to start your investment journey, we recommend Wealthsimple. Invest in stocks, crypto, and more all in one app. Low fees, expert management, and crypto options. It's all here. When you sign up, use our referral code for a chance to win between $5 and $3,000. Visit wealthsimple.com to get started.